Islam ka bapet kyrpang ye kitu ki badan jing duna gi department ka Ephatha Society ka bana East Giant Hills District haringkat lang bat ka perthai barok away menta ka Sngi gala Rakhe ya ka si kyrpang ka International Day of Persons with Disabilities R1000 ya ka program lapan long hayeng community hall Hamopala East Giant Hills District hakani ka Sngi ka bakarpang ka kongsan ka MLA jang ka Sutnga Saipung constituency ka kong Santa Mary Shila ka Simbut kongsan ka badai ka MDC jang ka Rambai Cleariat constituency ka kong Violet Lingdo u Deputy Commissioner ka East Giant Hills District u Shivan Chawasti IS u President jang ka Ephatha Society East Giant Hills District u ba Emlangmi Supo u Wahe Shnong Mopala u ba Legijo Baman lambat gid khot shnong kila sam ye ki jing ai soba shakitu ki brio ki badan jing tuna ki department ki badai naga Ephatha Society haka bala ai soba ru kawai ka kali lai shaka 3-wheelers handicap friendly mobility vehicle a sanjur ki auxiliary crutches sanjur ki elbow crutches bat ki jan kups ai shakinyo po prangot ki brio ki badan jing tuna ha ki department ki bana ki pratali ki shnong ki bana East Giant Hills District but kini ki jing ai sngoba ki dei ki ba one lengba ka scheme jong ka District Mineral Foundation DMF shu ka basngo tanat bantip ba ka kong Santa Mary Shila kalano jingiarap lailak tengka kong ka jingkershan lang ya ka Ephatha Society bat haga jokopor kalapan penaru ya ka mang tengka ka basanlak tengka nakabanta banchna ya ka Integrated Farming Center nakabanta ki brio ki badan jingduna haga department ki baha Ephatha Society usyong knor ba penyat ya ka program ubadai president jang ka Ephatha Society uba isupo ulapan pau ga jing sngongu but ai khublai ka kongsan ka sembut kongsan but yo deputy commissioner ki ba ju ai ka jing trailang but ka society but ki ba donru ka mensem ban kentiu lam ya kini ki brio ki badan jing duna ha ki department ulaya thoru bagani ka kali lai shaka Scooty kadai ka baning kong harilom jantia ban yo kum kani ka Scooty but kani kan yarap ha ka ballet nagawi ka jaka shakawai pat ka jaka Shosho president jang society uya thu baki don hatu south pa ar phongot ki badan jingduna ha ki department ki ba yo jingiarap na ka Ephatha Society ha ka ba ka society ka yarap yakini ki brio ha ka ba siu ya ka bai school siu ya ka bai dawai ha ba ki pang shitam ka yarap ha ka ba penrung kerteng ha ka sarkar bakin dup yo shosho ki jingiarap na kaliang ka sarkar ha ka jogopor ka society ka yarap ru ha ka ba ai ki jingi kai yaki ban kentia yaki sap ki phong pakidan komban chuban rap kani ka Ephatha Society kade ka shlam ka baju ai ka jing shakri ka barat ba eki brio ki badan jing duna ha ki department kadan ka office tray kam jangka hamukhu East Giant Hills District bat hangni kadan ru ka jaka ka ba ki ju ai jing hikai haban so jan ban tiar bat bonjat ki jing hikai ban kentia yaki sap ki phong jong ki brio ki badan jing duna ki department bat ru kani ka society kalala man pha yaki khanna man mi khmat chabar ka jalla kumsha gowa hakabaya dei bat ka jing lekai sports
ikman ya ikat ni haka istentia waro kawi wa MK Ephatha Society kawa kedup ya kibru kiwa ido ipran haiduna nika sidap ko cisnem pura alengin yas nok tilang kawai bangkar shandan yarap on day tang ban shoes sen yaki kam shakri day bantun tongin long jingker men yaki daki kam ki bangi peng ide ki brim ki ba kerpang ide ki brim ki ba kerpang ba kyrpang ki pergi ba kyrpang la em ki kon ki payu para yung pi wa em duna haki
yo I usam iaka two-wheeler disable friendly kini ke Scooty yo ngani kini ke Scooty kini to ponungkong hajantia hills to is jantia mo ponungkong hapo jantia hills hagawa ki payu parayong I kistong dunar karnet yo ki kamgani kejintmu yo kini ke Scooty to kenangwa ki tu ki em ki sap ko karpang ki yo training nai yogi ki pen em kam ya ka yo man ko jingiarap yogi ki ulai ni ta yo im ka mai jak ko dengan ini ka yo ne ba ko sador ba ko sabha tipiti ko Scooty ko sabha adin ke jingi chairman deputy commissioner daong nga ki jingi em kam ma ko sing takana yo ong sa madiwi yo em kami ka two-wheeler nangwa yo yarap ye ni pe parayo ni kamjo kini wheelchair ki tendo QM ni teu deputy commissioner ong yenga to yo discuss ni with madam chief guest ni bukor adeno de discuss eu aging TBP to ye mung ye nyo so kumeni kamar ong madam tu madam na like kamat bago ye jing kre kam ke Ephatha Society definitely ye chairman ke si madam penyo ye ko wa ke Ephatha Society kwa ke si suggestion
and as Brent was telling that since last 1.5 years we have done so many things together, be it any scheme, whatever scheme at our disposal, at our office disposal, through Chief Minister Youth Development Scheme, we have tried to send wherever possible support them for any travel, for the International Purple Fest to Goa, through DMF funds for creating additional infrastructure for Ephatha Society, even through sports also. So the main purpose, the main intention of the administration of the government is that the people with disability should not be supported only in one sense, but whatever schemes we provide to any citizen, they should also have access to any such schemes. That's why during the election also it is the election department ensures that all the polling stations must have ramp, and this time all the polling stations were provided with the wheelchairs as well. Similarly, with respect to the sports, through District Sports Promotion Society, we make sure that we provide funds, and through the support that we get from Ephatha Society, we are also very lucky that we have such a society working in our district, so that whenever we want to do something for persons with disability, we know who to go to, who we can coordinate with, who we can collaborate with, other than Social Welfare Department. And from this stage, I would like to thank Ephatha Society also for whenever we have requested them to do certain programs, or whenever they came to us that they need some kind of support, we have always tried and ensured that we can provide them as the first priority. So one more thing I would request from this stage from Ephatha Society is that from the district level schemes and funds, so we are trying and we are doing as much as we can. But still, I feel that there is a lot of potential with respect to the schemes of Government of India, which many people with disabilities may not be aware of. What are the kind of
Bonsen, you wa kifna ku em jiduna chibon you jingai ke yat laki na kini ke na ku em jiduna dah kami ke pon na kalian ke nga kam kaman be ka pat ye phi ki man be ki man pa wam hoi em ke kami sen na ka buta penjingai ye kini ki bro ku em kam kani ka jiduna khat me em kam ka jingiarap kalian em kam ui em lang ui snok kati langi ledan ye snok kati mo kalong yung la andre snok kati wa kani ka society ka Ephatha Society for the organized company ka program wo em lang wo celebrate lang ye kani ka Sngi ka kyrpang da kani ka por ngakapal AP
tengala kyrpar AP borok ni ki man pa konчлor chu i ki khon ki ti yong pi to khe ni ki ha jing duna yung ki man go I gawa jing siang si le ne ke jing thut ha be ko sem ko vi to ka an ngani society yo irap ya kate yo irap ki be pa yo hi kai ni ter ko yo kai economy yo kuman ni ha ye ki imya semen yo man independent ter ko yo ye ki we imya ga nu ga kam ka society le ne apo ka chnok ga thau yo ye ki participate in ni kam ta yo tio naga niga society dang bon chu wadaw yo ibanam buburom haganing district of Chakmat da ibok kidwari pibaro kamtam yegi gipiu parai ni waduna yo department hamdo jingermen ilu bi kamna I amlang bipi ublai la amlang pi I karchani bi hawaro ki bor ki soryo I kamtam ni pastor ibok kidwari pi ublai ko ko do pi wala pi yo yi pi kure chu chu namta ga ni kam mo ba ka ba ni society yo